COVID cases continue to drop across Oregon, but the virus is still infecting people. And today, the CDC and the FDA approved a second booster dose for anyone age 50 and older. But a whole lot of questions whether you need to get that shot if you're eligible. Lisa Balick getting some answers for us. She joins us live now. What have you found out, Lisa?
Well, there's a lot of people who hear this news and say, maybe I just should wait until fall because the COVID cases are down right now, hospitalization's down. But I found out today there are a lot of people who should be getting it right now.
So we got the Moderna booster for you.
That second booster of Moderna or Pfizer is meant to pump up your immunity since it starts to drop about 4 months after getting a COVID shot. It's a concern especially for seniors and those with medical issues who may have gotten their booster 5 or 6 months ago. Less immunity can make you more vulnerable to serious illness or hospitalization.
I think it's really important for those people who are immune compromised, who have some other reason that if they do get infected, then it could potentially be a real problem. So I think from that point of view, definitely that's reasonable.
I wanted to know, with COVID cases so low now, why not just wait until the fall to get that extra boost then? But with a new wave of COVID, the BA.2 variant underway in Europe, health leaders want the U.S. to be ready.
There's really no downside. If you're immunocompromised and at risk and you decide to get a boost now, you can still get one in the fall there's no reason not to particularly. There's no safety reason, and your immune responses will certainly not be worse. It's buying yourself a little bit of extra protection now.
Keep in mind, if you get the extra shot now, fall is still 6 months away. You'd be eligible for a new booster. And there may be a new shot more specific to Omicron or its cousin, that BA.2 variant. There will also likely be a fourth dose or booster offered to everyone in the fall. Then there's this. More than half of Oregonians have not gotten any booster.
I would say definitely get your first booster because the data are really good on the first booster, and particularly for that extreme disease, the hospitalization and worse than that.
Now, some people may say, you know what, I'm just going to wait and I'll sort of time it. When I see cases rising, that's when I'll go and get that shot. It's kind of like trying to buy into the stock market when it's going up. At that point, it may be too late because it takes at least 2 weeks for that shot to take its full effect. Back to you.
All right, great tips, great information, Lisa. Thank you.